David, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this and this. Let's get on to this video. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to be drawing Sonic, okay? Are you ready? Now, you can use a pencil, or you can use a marker, or if you're ready, like spaghetti, you can use a pen. Why I want to draw it is because it's like one of the easiest things I can do because of the amount of times I draw it. Alright, so I'm going to use these markers to outline. So let me start off with this one. Now these are new markers. So do that. I'm gonna go back up like you make, well, how you do that. Do this. Do this. You can draw. You can draw it however you want, as long as you like make it to this. All right. Now we're gonna use our black marker. You wanna make his gloves now, so you gotta make that. Then make a thumbs up, like that, that, and last one. Why? Because you have 5 fingers. Alright guys, now it's time to do his smile, his nose, now we gotta do this. Alright, so you might be thinking that's all, but then I forgot about this part. Now we're going to use this black marker later on. Now it's time to use the green marker. This is the only part we're going to be using the green marker anyways. Alright, now we gotta use this blue marker, and there's gonna be a lot of blue, so trust me on this one, it's gonna take a long time. Do this, you can make it bigger or smaller, and we're gonna do this, come back down, make another ear, and we'll put yellow over there, but so there we go. Let me just get my yellow marker back. And now it's time to make those legs. You can't forget about those. Those are his main weapons. Alright, we made the legs. Pause the video if you're having trouble. Alright, I told you we're going to need the black. See? Now, you think we're done? Well, we're forgetting one last thing. Alright. Now we're going to do this. Okay, so now we got his shoes done. Well, not really, because we're gonna do the black again. And yeah, so I got some crayons handy dandy. There might be 8, but we'll make the best out of it. First, I'm starting off with the yellow, but yeah, starting off with yellow. Alright, now if you use markers like me, then you could use wherever you use a yellow or blue, you could draw with whatever crayon you have that's the exact same color. Alright guys, we're almost done with this yellow part. We're done. Green. There might not be a difference, but there kind of is a difference on my side. Now it's time to use red. Now, last but not least, this is my favorite color, and it's the best one. We got blue. Alright guys, so I'm almost about to be finished with this blue. But it's really long, so I don't think I'm really finished with it. Alright, so now we are done. See how perfect that came out? Now it's time to draw another one. I'll draw another character, like Tails. Alright, now I gotta use my outliners. Let me get the crayons that I'm gonna need. And first, I'm gonna use the black marker and I'm gonna make his mouth. Well, yeah. You can put less than 4 of these things. Draw his eyes. Now his stomach. Now you see I'm doing it. Now we are going to use the black later. Now we're going to use the black later on. Let's get to the blue. Alright, now it's time to use, yellow. Alright, so now we're going to need the black back. You see how I did it? Now we're going to need this black. Now we're going to need the yellow more. Again. Draw his arms and his body. I like Tails because he's cool, smart, and he is very, very good at making inventions. Alright guys, so now we're using the black again. Now I'm going to use the black for this part. Alright, now that we finished this part, we're going to need the red. And guys, I think that's it. Wait, I'm forgetting something. Wait a minute, you can't just call him Tails for some reason. He needs tails. Let's see. This is him flying. Now we're going to draw his tail. They're flying together because he can fly. Alright guys, so now we are finished drawing Tails' tails. Now the last thing we gotta do is color. I used the blue first for his eyes. Now we gotta use, because I'm actually gonna use red right now. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do in a little bit. So, if you can see, if I use yellow right now, it's gonna probably blend in with his hair. So, I'm gonna use my orange right now and cover over it like this. So then the yellow won't have to go inside. And I'll show you what I mean when I color the yellow part, which I'm doing right now. See? It wouldn't go through with the other yellow. Now we know. Now we finished his head, we gotta work on his arms and his stomach and his belly. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed these drawings. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Go to our Instagram and comment and say which one is your favorite or the best. You're watching David and Seth the Bros. See you next time. Bye!